Have you ever wanted to send something more creative and personal through Instagram messages? I'm going to show you how to draw on Instagram messages in a few simple steps. It's an easy and fun way to make your chat stand out, and you can use it to doodle, write notes, or even decorate your photos before sending them. You don't need any extra apps or editing tools. Everything can be done right inside Instagram. So let's get started, and I'll guide you through every step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the messenger icon or paper airplane icon in the top right corner to open your direct messages. Select any chat you want to send a drawing to. It can be a friend, a group chat, or even a test conversation with yourself. This is where you'll be creating and sending your drawing. Next, look at the bottom left corner of your chat screen and tap on the small camera icon. This will open Instagram's built-in camera, which allows you to take a new photo or video. You can either take a quick photo by tapping the shutter button or select one from your camera roll by tapping the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Once your image is ready, you'll notice a few editing tools appear on the screen, and among them, a small pen icon at the top right corner. That's the drawing tool we'll be using. Now tap on the pen icon, and this will open Instagram's drawing mode. Here, you can freely draw on your photo or video using your finger. You'll see several options at the top of the screen. There's a color palette where you can choose from a range of colors, and on the left side, there's a slider that lets you adjust the thickness of your pen strokes. You can also switch between different pen styles like the regular marker, the neon brush, or even the eraser tool. This gives you the freedom to create anything from simple doodles to colorful eye-catching artwork. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Simply tap the undo button at the top left corner to remove your last stroke. You can also use the eraser to fine-tune small details. Once you're happy with your drawing, it's time to send it. Tap the send button at the bottom, and before it goes through, you'll get 3 viewing options: view once, allow replay, and keep in chat. These options let you control how long the receiver can view your drawing. For example, if you choose view once, they'll only see it a single time before it disappears. If you pick keep in chat, your drawing will stay visible like a normal message. That's it. You've just sent your own custom drawing through Instagram messages. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your conversations, especially when you want to make your messages feel more expressive and fun. You can draw hearts, smiley faces, arrows, or even write your name. It's completely up to your creativity. Before we end, here's a quick bonus tip. You can combine your drawings with stickers, text, or filters to make your message even more unique. Try layering your doodles over emojis or photos for a fun and playful look. It's perfect for birthdays, inside jokes, or just adding some color to your conversations. And that's how you draw on Instagram messages: easy, creative, and totally fun. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Drop a comment below to let me know what kind of drawing you tried, and I'll see you all in the next one.